Aloha everyone, Chef Reggie here with Aloha Shoyu, and if you haven't yet subscribed to our channel, subscribe right now. And we are here creating recipes every week using Aloha Shoyu products. So today we're just gonna make a little poke with ahi. We're gonna add some green onions, some white onions, some sesame seeds. It's like a traditional ahi poke. Today we're gonna be using Aloha Shoyu's poke sauce. You know, I love this sauce because it's so easy. You just shake it up real good, and then you just pour it out, mix it, and then you're done with it. But today we're gonna give it a little twist. We're gonna make little poke sliders using Hawaiian sweet bread. And to that we're just gonna serve a little wasabi yuzu aioli. I like to use a yuzu because it gives it a little tanginess, some refreshing flavor to it, and with the spiciness of the wasabi. And then we're just gonna add fold-in mayo. Let's make our wasabi yuzu aioli sauce for our ahi poke slider. So we'll take a little bit of wasabi just to give it that small color, light green color, and not, I mean, you can put as much as you want. So we got our wasabi here. We're gonna add a little bit of yuzu just to give it that refreshing, tangy flavor. Real simple ingredients. And then you just wanna whisk this in so that you want it to get into like a smooth consistency. You don't want all that lumps from the wasabi. And again, you can add as little or as much wasabi as you want, because I know some people, they really love wasabi. I love wasabi. You know, when that sting hits your nose, your sinus opens it up. You know, I love that feeling. All right, to this we're gonna add our mayonnaise. So real quick. All right, so this recipe calls for mayonnaise. You can add whatever mayonnaise you want. So that's about a cup. And then we'll just whisk this in. Real simple. And again, it has that nice light green color. All right, and we'll just set this aside until we're ready to plate. All right, we're gonna make our ahi poke now, and this, I believe, will be the easiest part of the dish. We're just taking all our ingredients. The ahi, we got some white onions and some green onions. Easy, we just put it in the bowl and give it a mix using Aloha Shoyu's poke sauce. Very easy, just shake it up and you're ready to go. So we'll just put our ahi cubes in the bowl. You can use any fish you want to use. You know, you can use salmon, hamachi, but in our case, we're using ahi cubes. And to this, we're going to use white onions. You can also use sweet onions, depending on your preference. Me, sometimes I like to use regular onions. Nice crunchy, it gives off a little stronger flavor, yeah? So we're going to add white onion. Kind of like diced it a little, nice small dice. And then we're gonna add sliced green onion just to give it that nice color. We're gonna add sesame seeds, and then Aloha Shoyu's poke sauce. I like how they created this sauce because it's so easy, you know, everyone's so busy. So what you wanna do is just pour a little. It looks like a half cup, and we're gonna fold this in together, like so. You know, I believe when Aloha Shoyu made this sauce right here, you know, they kept in mind of how people are so busy. You know, it's so easy. Everything is in one bottle. You just pour it in, give it a mix, and you're set. Let's give it a nice stir. And then right now we're just gonna go ahead and we're gonna let this sit, chill a little, and then we'll go toast our sweet breads. So this time we're just gonna slice our bread, our Hawaiian sweet bread, right in the middle. Before we put it in the oven at 350, just to give it a little toasty. flavor. We just want to slice in the middle and put it on a sheet pan and put it in the oven. 5 minutes till they're nice and golden brown. All right, so we're ready to plate, and we just took out our sweetbread out of the oven, and I tell you, the smell in here, wonderful. Smells so good. Smells like fresh bread from the bakery. So now we'll just plate our dish. We have our ahi poke here. We got some garnish of green onions, and we'll have our wasabi, yuzu, aioli. So what we want to do is get the bottom parts of the roll, and we'll just put some of the wasabi yuzu on the bottom and smear it. Just like this. Got that yuzu, wasabi, aioli. That yuzu giving it that nice, refreshing, tangy flavor and a little spiciness of the wasabi. And again, with that mayo, it just helps it bind to the bread. All right, so we got our poke here, our ahi poke, using Aloha Shoyu's poke sauce. We got some white onion and green onion and sesame seeds. We're just gonna take a couple and just put it on top. Just like that. And again, you can also use whatever fish you want. Typically like salmon or hamachi. And just put it on top like that. Just like that. Now we just want to sprinkle some green onion right on top, just to give it some nice color, some crunch along with the white onion. And then we'll just put the top on. And then we're ready to plate. We'll just take the wasabi yuzu aioli and give it a nice design. Just add it on the plate. And with the back of the spoon, you just want to give a little, you know, like so. So we'll just take 3, cut it with a knife, like so. And then with this 3 right here, we'll just cut it down straight. And then we'll just grab each one and put it on the plate like so. Nice. I mean, it doesn't matter if it falls out, it makes the plate looks nicer. So we're just gonna add 3. Like that. And then we'll just add some green onion on top, just to give it a nice garnish. All right, and there you have it. You have ahi poke sliders with some white onions, some green onions, sesame seed with Aloha Shoyu's poke sauce, and we have a little dollop of wasabi, yuzu, aioli.